Hello friends, today we are going to make Kalyana Rasam. That is a Rasam recipe. Kalyana Rasam does not mean that as soon as you say it, you will get married. That's not the meaning. In South India, this Rasam is prepared at almost every wedding. And that is why it is called Kalyana Rasam. Now let's see how to make it, friends. This recipe is made using black pepper, garlic, and tomatoes. This black pepper rasam is so tasty that, when you eat it at night, your stomach feels very light and digestion happens very quickly. First, take 1 spoon of black pepper and crush it coarsely using a stone mortar. After that, take a handful of garlic and crush it coarsely as well. Remove this mixture and keep it aside. Now take a kadai and add 2 spoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 spoon of mustard seeds and let them crackle. After that, add chopped dry red chilies and mix well. Now add 1 full spoon of turmeric. In this recipe, turmeric is added properly. So add a full spoon and mix it well. Next, add 2 medium-sized tomatoes, finely chopped. Let the tomatoes cook for about 2 minutes. Mix it well. Now add 1 spoon of salt and cook it for another minute. After that, mash the tomatoes slightly so they mix well. Now add 1 cup of cooked tur dal. I had already boiled the tur dal. Mix everything nicely. Before adding water, take lemon-sized tamarind. Soak it in water, extract the juice, and add it to the kadai. Now add plenty of water, because rasam should be thin. Rasam should not be thick, it should be nicely watery. After mixing well, add a handful of curry leaves. Let it boil for about 1 minute. Now add 1 cup of coriander leaves, finely chopped along with the stems. This gives a very nice flavor to the rasam. After that, add just a pinch of Asafoetida and mix it well. Now add the crushed black pepper and garlic paste. Cook everything on medium flame for about 2 minutes. While it is cooking, such a wonderful aroma comes out that it spreads throughout the whole house. This rasam is made using black pepper, garlic, tomatoes, Asafoetida, coriander leaves, and curry leaves. Now let me tell you the benefits of this rasam. Black pepper helps improve digestion and boosts metabolism. Garlic helps improve immunity and keeps the stomach healthy. Tomatoes are rich in antioxidants and add a mild tangy taste. Asafoetida helps reduce gas and bloating. Coriander leaves help in digestion and give freshness. Curry leaves are very good for gut health. We usually eat this Rushem with rice. When eaten with rice, it tastes really good, especially at night. It gets digested very easily and makes you feel very light. That is why this Rushem is prepared so often at South Indian weddings. It also tastes amazing with mango pickle, lemon pickle, and papad. Do try this recipe for sure. If you liked the video, please like, share, and comment. Subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much for watching the video.